In this lesson, we are going to create a calendar page for our website, and we're going to add one event to that calendar. Now, in the last lesson, we left off here where we were actually viewing the page that we had created. To get back to the WordPress dashboard so you can actually create another page, go to Edit Page at the top. This is the view you have right now is the view that people will see when they go to your website. We're going to get back to that dashboard so we can create those pages in WordPress. So go to Edit Page. And there is the WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, go down to Plugins and click on Plugins. The calendar is going to be created with a plugin. In WordPress, a plugin is something that adds additional functionality to a web page. Developers create them and they make them available to WordPress users. Most of them are free. There are some paid ones also, but the one we are using is going to be a free calendar plugin. Right here is a list of all the plugins that we have installed right now. Most of them were installed with the installation of this theme. To add a new plugin, go up to the top and click on Add New. Right here we have a box that says Search Plugins. Click inside that box and type My Calendar. My Calendar is the name of the plugin. Then click Enter. Here it is, My Calendar plugin. Next to it is an Install Now button. Go ahead and click that button to install the plugin. Right here is an Activate plugin. Need to click that to activate the plugin. Now the plugin has been downloaded and installed. You can see there is a new option on the left sidebar called My Calendar. Mouse over this option and then go over to Add New Event. We're going to add an event to this calendar. And go ahead and click on Add New Event. In the event title box, give the event a title. Here's the event title box. I'm just going to go, it's a biology class, so put like biology lab. You just go ahead and put an event that would be associated with your class into that event title box. In the event description box, you put a description of that event. Today, we will dissect frogs. Go ahead and describe that event in that box. Scroll down to the date and time box right here, date and time, and select the date and time of that event. I'm going to put it out like maybe on this coming Monday. And then you can put a time associated with that event. Say it's from 8 to 9 o'clock. There's other options. You can put an all-day event. You can put an end date right here. But for me, it's just that 1 hour and that one date. Now scroll to the top of the page. And right here is a save event. Click on that to save the event to the calendar. Okay, that event should have been saved to our calendar. Now we're going to create a page to actually display this calendar. So mouse over to Pages and go down to Add New right here. Click on Add New. go ahead and put the title of the page right here. So I'm going to title it Calendar. In this text box, we're going to type bracket my underscore calendar. Then we're going to close the brackets. So type it just like I typed it there. And that is a code that is associated with a plugin that will display the calendar on this page. So go ahead and type that in. We're also going to set a featured image for this page. For a calendar, the featured image will not display at the top as the header, but it will display on the home page that we will create in a future lesson. So we need to set that featured image. So go ahead and click Set Featured Image right here on that right sidebar. Let's go ahead and find it. So click on Upload Files, click on Select Files, and navigate to that second image. That should be on your thumb drive. That's 1200 by 400 pixels. Mine is a picture of an ocean, so I'm going to go ahead and double click that. And there it is. It has been uploaded to WordPress. Go ahead and describe it. I'm just going to say in the alt box, go ahead and describe it. I'm just going to say picture of ocean. And again, that's for the screen reader that blind individuals use. Go ahead and click on Set Featured Image. Now at the bottom, we're going to set those options for the featured image so it displays correctly on our website. On layout options, make the site with no sidebar. We don't want any sidebars on our website, so click no sidebar, content width. Go over to the second tab, header featured image options. Click on that second tab and click on enable. This will put that featured image onto the home page of our website. Finally, click on the tab Single Page Post Image Layout and select Disable Image. We're not going to use this option, so always go ahead and disable that image. Now that we have everything on our page set and created, we need to go ahead and publish it. So we hit publish. Go ahead and click update. Now we need to ensure that the page is displaying correctly. Again, this is the dashboard that we use to create our site. We need to make sure that when people go to the site, they're seeing what we want them to see. So to view this page, we go to the top and click on View Page right there. There you have it. This is the calendar page, and I was incorrect. Actually, that featured image is displayed on the calendar page up at the top. So there it is at the top of our page. And it will be on the home page as well. And here's the calendar. And there's that one event that I added to the calendar right there. And your event should be displaying on whatever date that you selected. In our next lesson, we are going to create a contact form.